Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to another episode of Bedtime Stories with Eunice Brown. The name's Brown. Eunice Brown, that's me. Today's story is called Stop Snoring, Bernard, and it's written by Zachariah O'Hora. That's a funny name, isn't it? Let's read, shall we? Bernard loved living at the zoo. He loved mealtime, playtime, and best of all, nap time. I like a nap time. Bit of a nana nap, that's what I like. But there was one little problem. Bernard snored loudly. One afternoon at nap time, Grumpy Gills had had enough. "Snore somewhere else, Bernard," he said. Bernard tried sleeping in a lake, but that didn't work. "Stop snoring, Bernard!" That's a crocodile. A crocodile, yes. He tried sleeping in a fountain, but that didn't work either. "Stop snoring, Bernard!" Look at the little baby giraffe. What a little pet. He even tried sleeping in a puddle, but that really didn't work. "Stop snoring, Bernard!" Look at the elephant. He's squirting Bernard on the head with water from his nose. Bernard was sad and lonely. He found a tucked away place, curled up by himself, and drifted off to sleep. The other otters missed Bernard. They searched for him all through the night. "Bernard! Bernard! Bernard!" Oh. The next morning, Bernard woke up and saw hundreds of bats on the ceiling. "Excuse me," he said. "How did you sleep with all my snoring?" "We didn't," replied a bat. "We were out all night, and now we are trying to sleep, so please don't snore here." Bernard felt terrible. There wasn't any place he could sleep without bothering somebody. He trudged towards the zoo gate. But then he heard something. It was the other otters. "We couldn't sleep without you," said Grumpy Gillies. And I'm sorry, I yelled. Please come back. Oh, look, they're all happy to see Bernard now. And from that day on, everyone napped happily. Well, almost everyone. Good night, Bernard. And that's the end of the story, boys and girls. And now it's time for you to say good night too. Go and brush your teeth and go to bed like good boys and girls. Go on. I'll see you later. Good night.